My wife and I have always enjoyed having bird feeders. If you've ever had bird feeders, I'm sure you're aware of how tough it can be to keep the squirrels away. So we came up with a solution of suspending that bird feeder up on a piece of paracord strung between the corner of the porch and a point high in a tree. And we got that bird feeder about 6 feet off the ground and solved the problem. The squirrels were no longer able to get to the bird feeder, and we never saw a squirrel try to walk the line out to the bird feeder. So no more squirrels. But being in the North Georgia mountains, bears. So it wasn't long until a black bear reached up there and tore the bird feeder down one night. Left the bird feeder a wreck, and the bear had a good time for a while, I suppose, eating all that seed. So we raised the line up higher and got it about 7 to 8 feet off the ground. And again, a bear was somehow able to reach up there and yank that bird feeder down. We raised the bird feeder to about 9 to 10 feet off the ground, and that solved the problem. No more squirrels, no more bears. And of course, refilling the bird feeder could be a challenge, so we devised a simple system to lower the bird feeder to make it easy to refill and then raise it back up. We've noticed the birds always knock a lot of seed out onto the ground, and squirrels are always hanging around on the ground under the bird feeder, finding the morsels that the birds drop. So the birds are happy, the squirrels are happy, we're happy, but the bears, they don't come around quite as much these days.